Alright guys, so if you guys have seen my channel, you know I am an Apple person. I had the iPhones, I got the Mac, the iPad. I don't have an Apple Watch. I don't, use smartwatches. I got the AirPods. I got the whole Apple ecosystem. Well, I decided, you know what? I'm a tech person, right? So it's time to expand out a little bit. Time to branch out. And of course, it is Samsung time. So we're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, I almost said for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's how you know I'm so conditioned into the Apple ecosystem. But no, it is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I cannot wait to check this out. Now we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing. I want to give you guys my first impressions before I even turn on the phone. And I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about my pre-order experience as well as what my plans with this phone are. So let's take a look at the packaging. Now, starting off, I did get the Jet Black version, the Samsung exclusive color. Now, I did get the 512 gigabyte model. Of course, it is the Ultra, so let's go ahead and check it out. Now, I have seen this in stores already, just the silver blue model, but I have yet to see the Jet Black. So, taking it out, oh yeah, see, this is the kind of black that I'm talking about right here. Compared to like the iPhone black, this is that black. I mean, the sides are black. Everything looks really nice. I can already tell it's a crazy fingerprint magnet. Let's go ahead and take this ugly thing off. I don't know where, oh, here it is. There it is right there. Don't know where that went, but let's go ahead and put that there. And first impressions, just taking a look, I mean, I like the way it looks. Now, like I said, I have had the silver blue version in my hand at Best Buy, but of course, at the store, you got the employees there. You can't really mess around with it, so I'm super excited to really take a deep dive into this phone and check it out. But let's go ahead and set this here for a second and just take a look at what else we get. Now, I know, why are you doing an unboxing? There's nothing in the packaging, nothing in the box. Well, I want to see it, so maybe there's somebody else that wants to see it out there. So, just taking a look, you are going to get that P cut out right there. And in here, we are going to get, let's go ahead and get this out of here. All right, so we're going to get our cable and no SIM. Oh, yeah, we do get the SIM removal tool right there. So that's pretty much it. Some other books and stuff like that. And that's it. So unfortunately, we don't get the power brick. You don't get none of that fun stuff, no stickers, not even Apple gives you stickers anymore. I really would like to see the power brick still in the box. I know all your favorite YouTube reviewers have said that already, but when I spent $1,300 on this phone, I did get it unlocked from Samsung, no contract, spent the $1,300 on this. I want the charger. I know I'm a tech accessory channel. I got a million chargers sitting over here that aren't even being used, but I don't care. I spent $1,300. I want my charger. I want that charger, and that's what I wanted in the box. I know it's not going to come with it, and people need to stop complaining, whatever, but that's just one of those things. I said that when I unboxed the iPhones. I'm going to say that when I unboxed this Galaxy. So let's go ahead and peel this thing off. Very nice. And let's turn it on for the first time. I already clicked the wrong button. So let's go ahead and pop that on real quick. Got some spit on there. Is it going to turn on? Let's see. No way this thing came dead. Oh, there it is. Okay, it just took a second. I'm used to the Apple logo coming up pretty quickly. But yeah, guys, this thing feels really nice in the hand. Now, of course, we're going to put on a screen protector. We're going to put on the cases on here. As you guys know, I am a tech accessory channel. I do a lot of case reviews. So you better believe that we're going to have some screen protectors for this, cases, other accessories, whatever I can find for the S25 Ultra, I will be reviewing on this channel. So make sure you guys subscribe for that. And stay tuned because those are coming very, very soon. But let's just take a look around the phone. I do want to also compare it to my natural Titanium 16 Pro Max. As you guys know, I am a lifelong iPhone user. But just taking a look, first of all, I really like the design of the new S25 Ultra. I know the previous ones had the curved edges, and it was a flatter screen still with the S24 Ultra, but the edges were a little more curved. I personally like this design a lot more. I love the super nice, sharp, modern-looking edges. I think it looks really good. It feels really good in the hand, and it does remind me a little bit of the iPhone. But speaking of which, just putting them side by side, the S25 Ultra is a little bit taller. Let's see, just like this. I'm scared I don't want to scratch up the screens or anything on any of them, but it's like a hair taller, barely even taller, and it's a tiny, tiny bit wider, it looks like. So let's actually go ahead and bring over some scientific stuff. We'll bring over the scale. We'll see what this is looking like. So starting off with the S25 Ultra, we're looking at 219 grams. I can definitely feel that this is lighter than the 16 Pro Max, which is 243 grams. So not the biggest difference in the world, but you can definitely feel it. And now let's just go ahead and see how the thickness difference is between these two. So we'll just bring our caliper. This one's 8.3 millimeters, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max is going to be 9 millimeters. So actually the S25 Ultra is a little bit thinner. Now I just want to take a look around the sides together. So on the top, it looks like we do have some microphone holes right there. On the left-hand side, I believe that's going to be an antenna right there. Then moving along to the bottom, of course, we have that S Pen. You're going to have your microphone, your speaker, SIM card slot, and USB Type-C port. And then on the right-hand side, you're going to get your power button and volume up and down. So this thing is a little bit different, of course, from the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but I definitely can't wait to check out all of the different features with it. I'm really excited to check out the S Pen, even though they took away the Bluetooth S Pen, which I did use actually pretty often when I had the S22 Ultra. That sucks, but either way, I am going to check out the S Pen. Definitely going to check out that anti-reflective display, which that looks really nice. Of course, no screen protectors. I really wish more devices would give that anti-reflective display, but I mean, that just looks really good. Of course, it's a crazy fingerprint magnet. So yeah, I'm really excited to check out how this differs, besides obviously the OS on it, how it differs from the iPhone, what I'm excited about the S25 Ultra, what I miss from the iPhone, what I like more, what I like less. Definitely going to check all of that stuff out about this phone. So let's talk about my pre-order experience. Now, as soon as the event was over, I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and order the Jet Black, which is actually what I ended up getting. It kind of worked out that way. But I pre-ordered the Jet Black, and then I was like, you know what? No, let me cancel that. I'm going to do it through Best Buy because I have Total Tech. I'm probably not going to get the watch or the earbuds. I might get the buds. Definitely not getting the watch. And I don't care about, all the Samsung credit or anything for new accessories. I wanted that $200 Best Buy gift card. So I canceled the Samsung order, boom, went on Best Buy, got the 256 gigabyte silver blue model. Cool, I was done, I was waiting for tomorrow. Today's the day before release day. And then one day last week, Best Buy sends me an email and they're like, hey, we've canceled your order. Why? So I go on Best Buy's website, I see no Ultra pre-order, no problem. The dates haven't slipped yet, let me just go ahead and order another one. Boom, order it, canceled. Order another one, canceled. I did this order, I'm not even exaggerating, probably 12 times. They kept getting canceled. So I'm like, what's going on? Go to my Best Buy store, they have no idea. No clue what happened, whatever. Can't order the silver blue anymore, but you can order the other color. So I'm like, whatever, I'll get the black titanium one. It's the black one with the titanium, the natural titanium looking sides. Then I'm thinking about it, I'm like, I don't really want that one. If I'm gonna do black, I'd rather get the 512, get the Jet Black from Samsung's website. So all in all, ended up getting the original one I ordered, the 512 gigabyte black Jet Black titanium one. And I actually still have the Best Buy one pre-ordered for pickup tomorrow. I'm gonna cancel that because I'm not getting that one anymore. I already have the phone in hand. But that was my pre-order experience. Now, being an Apple user, my pre-orders are 100% of the time through Apple. I do it through Apple's website, and that just is what it is. Now, of course, I should have, in hindsight, stuck it out with the Samsung pre-order. I'd have had my phone like the rest of these reviewers last week and stuff when everybody, and all you guys who are getting your phones from pre-orders, I'd have had mine ahead of time too. But, you live and you learn, you make mistakes. And unfortunately, the mistake that I made was I wanted that $200 Best Buy gift card. But whatever, I have the phone in hand. So let's talk about my plans with what I plan on doing with the channel. Now, because of what I do for work, I can't really switch my iPhone from my main device, I don't think. I'm mulling it over, possibly. It's probably not gonna happen, and I'm just gonna be honest. I'm not making an I'm switching video. Even let's say I do switch, I'm not making that video. I'm not that person that's gonna make that video. But what I do wanna do is I'm gonna use the Galaxy S24 Ultra as my main device for everything except phone calls and text. Now, before you guys go and roast me on the comments, just know this has been very carefully thought out. I still may switch, probably not. But everywhere I go, I have Wi-Fi or I can use hotspot, and I'm actually thinking about putting a phone number or putting service on the S25 Ultra just so I can really get the full experience. But unfortunately, with work, it may be a little bit more than I'm willing to risk to not be able to have my calls and texts on my iPhone. So I'm still mulling that one over, but I do want to give you guys an honest experience of my use with the S25 Ultra for my emails, for my social media, for every single thing that I do, responding to your guys' comments on Twitter, to your guys' comments on this YouTube channel, on my Instagram, which, by the way, make sure you guys are following me over there. I plan on posting some other content on those as well, so follow me there. But I really want to give this phone some serious run. Now, I'm going to try to maximize my screen time with this as opposed to my iPhone, like I said, except for calls and texts. But let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see me cover as an iPhone user. Just a little bit of background, I did have the S22 Ultra for about 2 months, was not my main device, and I didn't use it a crazy amount. I did also recently have the Pixel 6a, and I really enjoyed my time with that. So I can't wait to use a modern day flagship Android phone that wasn't the 6a. As good as that phone was, this is going to be so much better. I know it is. And I really can't wait to put it through its paces. So yes, let me know what you guys want to see from me on this channel about the device itself. Of course, we're getting into all the cases, all the screen protectors, any accessories very soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to go out, buy these expensive devices, and begin talking about them with you guys as well as all these accessories. And I did recently make a best charging accessories video for the iPhone, but a lot of those will apply to the S25 Ultra. And if you guys are interested in seeing that, I'll make sure to leave that right there.